say make the text shorter, I mean basically focusing on what's important, okay? Because just imagine, right? I think I told you I'm teaching IELTS at one of the schools where I work at the moment. And at the school, the first time these people saw the IELTS was 2 weeks ago. And they're used to doing text in English, reading text. They will do the text, they will answer questions. But the first time I showed them the full text, they were a bit scared. They were like, what? This long? And they freaked out a little bit. Okay, and it's normal. Okay, guys, don't get me wrong. You can freak out, okay, if you see, because it is a long text, right? So what, 2 pages in the end. So it is a little bit tricky, okay? And especially for the people, if you're doing the academic test, not so much, because then you have 3 long texts. So you're not that surprised. Maybe the first time you saw it, you were. Not so much the second and third time. But if you're doing the general one, if you're doing IELTS general, the reading part can be tricky. Because I don't know if you know, but when it comes to IELTS general and IELTS academic, okay, one of the differences is the reading part. All right. So in the reading part, the thing is, with the academic, 3 long texts, 3 academic texts. In the general part, it's more about 2 shorter texts, then another 2 shorter texts, and a very long one. Okay, so just imagine the people who are doing IELTS general, okay? They have section 1, 2 texts, the text about less than a page. They were okay with it. Then section 2, 2 longer texts, still 1 page. And then they go to passage 3, actually section 3, and they go, what? 2 pages for 1 text. And you have to go ahead and answer them. Okay, so the reason I wanted to talk about making the text shorter is because I know how people freak out when they see the size of the text.